Hello, what's up? Welcome to a new video. Today, it's an unplanned video of why this thing does not boot anymore. So, this is the second time this month I've gone to turn the computer on. This is the second time this month I've gone to turn the computer on, and it's just dead. Now, the Mac LC, understandable. It's from 1990. This is 2024. Okay, I understand the part about it dying. This is like a few years old. Why the hell is it broke? Now, that being said, I'm using as a learning lesson here for you guys. I want to do a different video of using this computer, and I can't because it won't turn on. Or it shouldn't, at least. More than that in a minute. So, yeah, annoying enough, I want to do another video on using this computer, and it's dead. Now, I have done it before for another computer, my RMX G3, where it was dead. I know it was dead. It would not turn on. I go do a video and it works just fine. So, yeah. This video of my test build, I wrote this in 22, I think. 22 or 21, I forget. I think it was 2022. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Anyhow. So yeah, I did do a couple of basic things first. First thing I did, make sure the back of the power supply is turned on. I'll make a little switch on the back. Right here. I was on, I was off. So that was turned on. Of course, make sure your power cable is connected. And of course, make sure the power cable works. I tried a different power cable. It did not work. I verified that same power cable works on my other computer. It does. This thing is probably dead. So, I think about making a guide about repairing basic computer or stuff. I'm going to use this video for that guide as well. So you guys can support this video in that guide I make. Let's start with the basics though. So let's say, for example, you have a friend asking you for help, and they tell you their computer is dead, and they want to help them fix it, or fix it for them. Which is not even the case. First thing I would do is verify the problem. Verify what they say is true. To me, a dead computer means you hit the button and nothing happens. Now, some people might say the computer is dead, and it's really not this dead. For example, my sister gave me a laptop one time years ago, said it was totally dead, it does not work at all. Well, her definition of totally dead was she hit the button, power light came on, the fans went up, and then nothing happened. To me, that's not totally dead, it's just not posting. But that I can kind of understand. Another computer somebody gave me, it was totally dead, but it booted into Windows into a black screen. So it posted, it tried to load the OS, and then hung up there. So, this Windows is supposed to be totally dead. It does not turn on at all. I'm gonna show you guys the problem. I know the problem, I just seen it like 10 minutes ago. I needed to use it, and now it don't work. Fine. Plug it in. You better not turn on now. Fuck you. You sleazy little shit. I had a bad feeling that's gonna happen. Put a fucking unhook on me and it turned on. Now I'm too bad this. Something loose in there. You fucker. And that's how you bear with the problem. Sometimes that will happen. So what I'm gonna do, I turned it off. I'm gonna open it and check for any loose connections. I'm going to bring it down the basement here and locking it around. May have knocked me back into place. I had a feeling that's going to happen too. You should not turn on right now, you sleazy little shit. But I had a feeling it was going to do that. Alright. So what would cause that problem? 1, a loose power button connection. 2, a loose 24-pin connection. Or a connection to the power supply, which is not in this case because these are hardwired in. I'm a short, which I doubt is the case. I gotta feel around here, so I know that's all loose. Maybe you guys need to tighten up. Or I could get intermittent failure too. Maybe the is dying and it just happens to work now. I don't know. Let's see, are these loose? That's not under that right. That couldn't be the problem. Well, I'm in here and the dust has been out. Yeah, I should have brought it down here. Damn it. Oh well. Listen there. So I was on that right, I'm not assuming that could be the problem. Maybe. How is this cable? That's fine. I'm gonna assume it probably just got loose. That wouldn't matter. That's a USB, right? Or that's a fan, that wouldn't matter. This could do it. It does it. Power. I am gonna get it. Pull this off slightly. Okay. Pull it so far. Hold on. Yep. So. And you just fucking lie, why don't you? Go fucking video. I'll go down here to say, fuck you, I'm fine. Kiss my ass. And this, I did try it with power cable. And it wasn't power cable. So, what we've done here now upstairs, I don't know. This is how the door was standing up. A little bit on this. You sleazy shit. Whatever. That's the second time on this channel. If it totally died, I gotta fix it and it fired up. Whatever and you. Next right here. It works. Oh. I have no words. That was a fun 10-minute video. For nothing. I'm going, Dwayne. Whatever. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I did not. I wanted to get a problem to solve, and it's fine. Hope you all enjoyed this one, guys. Take it easy.